Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to log out of Last C Survival Shooter. If you're looking to log out of Last C Survival Shooter, here's how you can easily do it. Start by heading to your profile found in the top left corner of your screen. From there, go to Account Settings and you'll see an option to switch accounts. This essentially functions as logging out. You can also manage your characters by selecting Character Management and creating or switching to a new character, which will log you out as well. Alternatively, head to Settings, tap on General, and scroll down until you find the option to log out of other devices. Confirm the action, and your account will automatically be logged out from your current device. You can also switch emails using the small arrows beside your registered address, allowing you to log out from one email and sign into another. Just avoid the account deletion option unless you truly want to remove your account permanently. And that's how you log out safely and smoothly in Last C Survival Shooter. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.